Hi guys, Ben Taylor here and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be teaching you 3 ways you can instantly improve your photos, and you're going to be taking these tips which you learn in this video and you're just going to want to get creative instantly with this so you can improve your photos. So without further ado, let's not listen to me waffle on anymore and let's jump into today's tutorial and then get started. So number 1 is framing. So what is framing? Well, basically you can have an image of something which is quite plain. In fact, let me show you. So I've got a picture here of a keyboard, and if I start creeping things slowly into the corners of this image, you can see that I'm framing the image with these objects. What this enables me to do is to add a different feeling or mood to the image. But the great thing is I'm still focusing on the keyboard because that's in the middle of the shot. So what framing is basically is adding things into your images to help tell a story or create a different feel or mood in your image. Number 2 is shooting through things. You can do this so simply. You can do it in your house. For instance, I'm going to take a cup and a pack of cards. So you can simply just take a picture through the handle of a cup, say of this lens here, and then look at the result that you can get. You're shooting through something. So in this case, I'm shooting through the cup's handle and it's creating this lovely blurred edge to the background. Now you can take this a step further. Take a look at these 2 examples. One is a portrait image here, and this portrait image has something which is put around the edge of the lens and it's created this nice blurred effect. This really adds another dimension to the image, and this is something you can easily do yourself if you're out with your camera. Also, take a look at this example. Someone is standing on a bridge and they've took a picture through a hole in the bridge and they've framed the city. And this has really made the image stand out. It's something that you wouldn't expect, but it looks really good. And it's because someone has shot through something. So number 3, and probably most important out of all of them, is angles. So instead of just taking your camera or say your smartphone and taking a picture, just step back for a few seconds and explore the different angles and perspectives. So go from left to right, up to down, or even front to back, and just explore these different angles instead of just rocking up and then just taking your picture. I promise you that if you do this, your photography will improve instantly. Thanks for joining me today, guys, for this video, and I hope that these 3 tips will really help you with your photography. They're easy to do and they cost no money at all, so start doing them today and getting more creative with your photography. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on YouTube just to let me know that you enjoyed it and then you know I did a good job, and alternatively make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button, which means you'll get notified every week when I bring out new videos. Today guys, have a great day and I hope to see you all again really soon.